Hey guys, it's me Shanaz and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first, I don't know if this is gonna be the first video of 2020, but this is the first video that I'm shooting in 2020. So yeah. So in today's video, I am going to create this makeup look right here. Recently, I have gone to places with lots and lots of skincare and very less of makeup. And while doing that makeup, I thought it's an amazing idea, so much less of makeup product, but at the same time, I look so nice and presentable. So I should share it with you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this skin looking makeup look, especially for office and college going girls. So if you guys are interested to know how I created this look, then yeah, without much blabbering, let's get started. Okay guys, so I just washed my face. I'm just gonna rub it with the cloth. Now that my face is squeaky clean, I'm gonna move on with my skincare. So as mentioned in the title, this video is gonna be a makeup video, but we are gonna use more skincare and less makeup product. So बहुत बड़बड़ कर लिया. Now let's start with the skincare. I'm using my toner. ये खत्म होने वाला है. I have to get myself a new one. So this is the Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. इसका spray मुंह में घुस गया. And while doing the skincare, always apply it on your neck because we don't want wrinkles there. So yeah. Okay guys, so how was your new year? Like, this is my first video of 2021, I guess. Oh shit, मेरे कैमरे में बैटरी खत्म होने वाली है. What the hell? Okay, I just charged my battery and I had to take a break. Anyways, now I'm gonna move on to my moisturizer. So for moisturizer, I'm using Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. Now, if you have dry skin like me, then go ahead, apply lots and lots of moisturizer. I have extremely dry and flaky skin. So yeah, I'm gonna moisturize well. Okay, so as I was saying, on 31st, I thought I would vlog, okay. But then subha my mood was very off, so I was like, nahi ho raha. I tried, I procrastinated a lot and I tried to vlog. There were a lot of ideas, but it just didn't happen, and I thought I shouldn't pressurize myself on the last day of the year. Next, I'm gonna wear a sunscreen. Now, even though it's winters, I know, but still, the sun is on your face. And मेरे mom ने मुझे बोला है कि winter का जो sun होता है उससे ज़्यादा sunburn होता है. Yeah, maybe it's true. So my mom is like, winter, maybe you should apply a sunscreen. So for sunscreen, I'm using my Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sun Block. It has SPF 50 plus and PA++. So yeah, I absolutely love this product. It has a little bit white cast, but it doesn't stays on there. If you have any other favorite sunscreen, go ahead, wear that. Just wear your sunscreen, that's all, okay? So yeah, as I was saying, subah it was a crappy morning, but then my mom and dad went to the hospital for some checkup, and then I was all alone at home and I spent some time with my puppies, my doggos, and my day was made, I love spending time with my family on New Year. So basically, wait, I'm gonna go get my gel and then talk. So the next product after the sunscreen is a gel. Now this will be the last step. If you want, you can go ahead and apply a primer, but I love to use this as a primer. This is the Good Vibes Calendula Gel. I absolutely love this. You can also apply an aloe vera gel if you have one. Basically any gel just for that extra layer of moisturization. Wait, my sunscreen is moving because I applied the gel, I guess. Okay guys, गलती हो गई यहाँ पे. Do not apply your gel on top of your sunscreen. Wow, क्या ही beauty blogger बनूंगी मैं. Like, I didn't know that. I think sunscreen should be the last step, है ना? Okay, anyways. So actually my sunscreen is mattifying and I want क्या बोलते हैं, jelly sticky primer. It's okay, I think nothing is ruined. Sunscreen थोड़ा हिल गया, but it is on my face only. ऐसा नहीं है कि हिल के गिर गया है. So I think it's okay, है ना? Yeah, it's okay. Leave it. हाँ, so as I was saying, my parents came back from the hospital, and then we had a great evening. We had a bonfire outside our house, at the back of our house. There's a lot of space. Okay, next I am gonna color correct. I'm gonna get started with the makeup part now. Now I have dark circles, so I am gonna use a color corrector. Now this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I am just gonna use this on my under eyes. Okay, just on my under eyes, nowhere else. Maybe on my mouth area because I have hyperpigmentation. So yeah, as I was saying, my brother always spends his 31st night with his friends, and बचपन में मेरी मजबूरी थी, मुझे mom dad के साथ रहना पड़ता था. But now it's more of a like, even if my mom dad tells me to go out with my cousin or friends, I'll be like, no, I want to stay here with you guys because I don't want to leave them alone, because भैया चला जाता है and then mom dad is all alone. Like, even though mom has dad and dad has mom, but still I want to stay with them. So yeah. Next I'm gonna use my foundation. This is the foundation which is of perfectly my skin tone, so I would suggest you guys to also use a foundation which is perfectly of your skin tone. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Now this is a very mattifying foundation, but still since we have moisturized so much, so it's okay. And हम foundation skin पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगाएंगे. I mean face पे, पूरे face पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगाएंगे. We will just stick to our under eyes and our mouth area. Wow. We will just stick to our under eyes and our mouth area strictly. Okay, just strictly. I'm gonna use my fingers. This foundation blends quite nicely with my fingers. So yeah, as I was saying, yeah, it was a nice evening, and then we had a great dinner together, and then we slept, I think at around 11. And then I called my best friend. I thought he was having a party, okay, and I called him, and with a sleepy voice he picked up my phone, and I was like, dude, are you sleeping at 11? It's 31st of December, like seriously? And he's like, yeah. And I was like he's my best friend, but we have like a gang of friends, and I thought all of them were having a party together, and I'll talk to all of them. That's why I called him. But he was like, no, I'm sleeping at home. Everybody's sleeping at home. We are not having any party. I was like, good, nice, very nice. So that was basically my 31st ka night. Nothing much happened. Papa to like he slept at 11 only. He was like snoring at 11. So yeah. Okay, as you guys saw, I strictly applied the foundation only on my mouth area and my under eyes and nowhere else. Next I am gonna powder this up and apply a little bit powder on my shiny face, because ऐसा लग रहा है ये area पूरा matte है and face shiny है, तो थोड़ा सा powder dust कर लेंगे. So for that I'm using my Lakme 95. So I am using this because this kind of soaks up a little bit product, or it doesn't takes up a lot of product, but a brush takes up a lot of product and then it becomes a lot more powdery than we expect. So the skin looks flawless now. Now we are gonna move on to blush. If you guys have a tint, then it's the best. Go ahead, apply a tint. I would not even suggest to apply lipstick at the back of your hand and dab it, because फिर वो भी थोड़ा बहुत on the face वाला हो जाता है. But I do not have a tint, but I have a lip balm. So this is a lip balm, tinted lip balm. This is the Baby Lips, Maybelline New York's Baby Lips. So this is in the shade Highline Wine, and this is a very pretty red shade, like a red tinted lipstick. So I am gonna take little bit of this, smile, and apply it. Make sure आप कॉम्पैक्ट लगाने से पहले इसे लगा लो. But अगर आपने कॉम्पैक्ट लगा लिया तो make sure you do not apply the compact on your blush area, like on the area where you're gonna apply the blush. So I'm recently loving applying this tinted lip balm on my face as a blush. I mean, it gives such a natural look. Tints are very expensive. So if you do not have a tint, go ahead with a lip balm, tinted lip balm, just like this one. This is very cheap also. So yeah, it does the job, looks amazing, Great. Okay, now that we are all blushy, I am gonna move on to my eyes. For eyes, you can just apply a mascara and go, or if you are someone who loves to apply eyeliner just like me, then go ahead, do that. It's a personal choice, okay? I'm gonna apply my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll come back and tell you guys about what I'm gonna do to my eyebrows. Okay guys, I am done with my eyeliner and mascara. As you can see now, I know this is like a very cat wing eyeliner. I used to do this in my college as well. So if you like this, you can do this. As I said, it's a personal choice. You can do whatever design style you want, but I like to go all out with my wing eyeliners and I don't compromise. So next, I said I'm gonna do something to my brows. Now I'm not gonna do a sharp brow. So basically what I'm gonna do is, I have this pulley like thing with me. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows first. So once I'm done brushing my eyebrows, this is a mascara, a old mascara, a mascara which is almost finished, but thoda bahut, you know, like haath pe ya skin pe lagaoge to kala kala lagega. That kind of mascara, like almost finished mascara, like a 99% finished mascara. I hope you get my point. I'm gonna take this mascara and very gently brush my eyebrows. I hope you can see. It looks completely natural, like completely natural. Once I'm done with the mascara, I'm again gonna use this brush and brush my eyebrows again. So yeah, this is what I've done to my eyebrows. Okay, now comes the last part, which is lipstick. So I have my nude lipstick here. Now I'm gonna go for a nude lipstick because, as I said, this is a college and office look. I cannot go with a on the face a red lipstick or a vampy colored lipstick. So I'm gonna go with my nude lipstick. This is the NY Bay Runway lipstick, and it is in the shade Trends 4. Yeah, it's in the shade Trends 4. I wanted to apply my Maybelline Nude Nuance actually, because that's the best nude lipstick you can have. It suits almost all skin types. I wanted to go with that, but I can't find it right now, so I'm gonna go with this one. But I would suggest you to wear the Maybelline Nude Nuance. Usually I do not suggest lipstick shades because, you know, everybody has a personal choice. So yeah, I do not want to pressurize or force you. But Nude Nuance is something you must try if you haven't yet. So guys, this is the final look, and you guys can clearly see it. I haven't used any product on my cheeks, or I haven't used much product, but still this looks very much presentable. It's a very blushy, glowy kind of look. And also the lip tint for hack is really very useful. Like if you have a lip tint, tinted lip balm, tinted lip balm, then make sure to try this hack out. Use it as a blush and it will give you an all-in-all blushy and glowy cheeks. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and this makeup look right here. I absolutely love this. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified, and also comment down below any other video ideas or anything about this video. Also, I am going to upload a very nice, good, entertaining vlog, so stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I'll put everything in the description. Also, I'll try to put the link of all the products that I've used in the description box below. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time with a new video.